Oh boy. Oh.
Rocks.
All these rocks are sharp. Oh. Whoa. Where'd Jerry go? Wait a second. I'm not on the trail. Cool.
You all right? Clear.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know where I was going.
You all right?
Oh. Okay, I'm ready. Got it. You gotta come back up. You didn't take your picture.
Oh, you didn't?
No. Where did you plow off? You plowed like right here, right?
Right off where you're going.
It was like bang!
Yeah.
Bang, 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 bang. Charlie Murray, bye-bye! Kind of regretting this. Nice one. That was cool.
I don't think I could do that any faster. That was basically holding and clenching my cheeks.
Trying to keep the poop from shaking out. I am ready, by the way.
I might have wasted like a good portion of my tire. Gap it, dude.
That's on.
I think I'm done.
Flat?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm
Oh.
right here.
Fuck!
You don't pump up, you just ride off, huh?
You come like right through here, Jerry?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the fuck, man? I hate tubes.
Down the street, smoking indoors.
What?
Ender.
Ender.
Endo? But these guys don't know how to say that.